How to blend or merge two pictures on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now click on the search bar and search for PixArt. Now install this application. Now open up PixArt after installing. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select your photo. Now scroll to the right and tap on add photo. Now select the photo you want to blend or merge. Now click on add. Now drag it to fill up the screen. Now you can merge by decreasing the opacity, or you can also scroll to the right and here you will find an option for blend. Now select other options as you need. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on a special topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.